Ever felt that pang of frustration when a crucial app on your phone decides to take an unexpected digital vacation? Or maybe you're just diving into the world of Beam and need a fresh digital home for your precious Beam tokens. Whatever the reason, the question remains, how do you actually get a brand spanking new Beam wallet? Well, you've landed in the right place. Think of this as your friendly guide to navigating the sometimes tricky waters of wallet creation. It's not as daunting as it might seem, and in the next few minutes, we'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a secure and functional Beam wallet ready to go. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch upon the why. A Beam wallet isn't just a place to store your digital assets, it's your gateway to the entire Beam ecosystem. It allows you to send and receive Beam, interact with decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Beam blockchain, and participate in the network's growing community. So, having a secure and properly set up wallet is absolutely fundamental. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. The process for getting a new Beam wallet generally involves downloading the official Beam wallet application. Be extremely cautious here. Always ensure you are downloading the app from the official Beam website or reputable app stores like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. This is crucial to avoid falling prey to malicious actors who might try to trick you with fake wallet apps. Double-check the developer name and the app's ratings and reviews before you hit that download button. Once you've located and downloaded the official Beam wallet app, the next step is installation. This is usually a straightforward process, similar to installing any other application on your smartphone or computer. Follow the on-screen prompts, granting the necessary permissions as requested. After the installation is complete, it's time to create your new wallet. Open the Beam Wallet application, and you'll likely be greeted with options like Create a New Wallet or Restore Existing Wallet. Since we're aiming for a new wallet, tap or click on that option. This is where security becomes paramount. The app will guide you through the process of setting up a strong password. Choose a password that is unique, complex, and that you haven't used for other accounts. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Resist the urge to use easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Next, and this is arguably the most critical step, you will be presented with your seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase. This is a series of 12 or 24 random words. Think of this seed phrase as the master key to your wallet. If you ever lose access to your device or need to restore your wallet on a different device, this seed phrase is your lifeline. Write down this seed phrase exactly as it appears, in the correct order. Do not take a screenshot or store it digitally on your phone or computer, as these can be compromised. The safest method is to write it down on a physical piece of paper and store it in a secure and memorable location. Consider making multiple copies and storing them in different secure places. The app will likely ask you to verify your seed phrase by entering it back in the correct order. This step ensures that you have accurately recorded it. Take your time and double-check each word. Once you've successfully verified your seed phrase, you might be asked to set up a PIN or biometric authentication for quicker access to your wallet. This adds an extra layer of security for day-to-day use. Congratulations! You've now successfully created your new Beam wallet. You'll likely see your wallet interface with options to send, receive, and view your Beam tokens. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the app's features and settings. Remember, security is an ongoing process. Always keep your wallet app updated to the latest version to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Your Beam wallet is your responsibility, so treat it with the utmost care. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.